From the stories shaping Indians abroad to the realities shocking immigrant community. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Skyline with Dhriti Yatri. Tonight, America is once again talking about Indians, specifically an Indian origin name making headlines, but for all the wrong reasons. US Immigration and Custom Enforcement (ICE) has arrested an Indian national identified as Rinkesh Kumar Patel, and that too in connection with a major theft conspiracy case in Tennessee. According to the authorities, this was not any small local crime. Officials claim that this particular case involved tens of thousands of dollars in stolen money and links to a larger fraud network. IC says Patel was convicted of conspiracy to commit larceny in Bradley County, Tennessee. According to the agency, more than $60,000. It was all stolen. Well, Patel reportedly received a 6-year sentence, although officials say that the sentence was later suspended after he served less than a year. IC then took custody of him directly from the county jail, and they also confirmed that he would now face removal proceeding. But you know what? This particular story, it becomes even more dramatic when older reports connected to the crime are examined. Investigators earlier claimed that the victim may have lost more than $250,000 through Bitcoin transfers and cash collection scheme. Authorities suspected that this particular operation, it was connected to a much wider fraud network targeting vulnerable individuals through financial manipulation and cryptocurrency scam. Patel, who is reportedly from Gujarat, India, he was allegedly caught while attempting to collect additional money from that particular victim. And tonight, this particular case is once again sparking debate across America about immigration, fraud network, and the growing numbers of financial scam. Here, investigators, they are involved in international operations just because of an Indian. Now, let's hop on to the second story tonight. While one Indian origin man, he is being arrested in Tennessee, another story is creating fear inside the Indian community in Texas itself. And this one, it feels straight out of a crime thriller. Ladies and gentlemen, a very mysterious gang targeting Indian homes has reportedly become active in Houston. But what makes this story deeply disturbing is this. The thieves appear to be targeting gold specifically, not phones, not laptops, not any expensive electronics, just gold. In fact, one Indian student, originally from Ahmedabad, that's in India, revealed that nearly $12,000 worth of gold was stolen from her apartment in Houston. She had recently married in America, and the jewelry gifted during her wedding, it was reportedly stored very safely inside a bag at home. But when she returned one evening, the closet door, it was open and the gold, it had vanished. And you know what? Then came the shocking discovery. Within days, residents, they reportedly learned that 7 homes in the same area, they had been robbed.